Razer expands to 16 and 18-inch Blade laptop models. Razer fashions its Blade into 2 new sizes with the latest Intel processors and NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPUs inside. Previously, what did you max out? 17-inch Blade
17, yeah.
and a 15 point whatever. So 16 and 18. 18 is that's a big boy laptop. Now, is it 18 or is it 17.4 or 17.7?
Well, they would call it 18, right?
Well, you never know with these things. Razer announced Blade 16 and 18 at CES 2023. Is CES 2023 underway?
It's happening, dude.
Damn. 2 new sizes that will stock the latest from Intel and NVIDIA. Other companies have gone with similar announcements. Alienware, 16 and 18. Interesting. Acer, 16 and 18. Well, you know, some new parts became available from the suppliers. They say, we got the 18-inch display. You want it? And then all the builders come in and they say, yeah, of course we want it. The competitors got it. We're going to need it. There's not a lot of other details, apparently. But
I just wonder if other manufacturers would go for an 18-inch laptop as well.
Well, as you see right there, you got Alienware, Acer, and Razer.
Oh.
And I presume you're going to see the others follow suit because once one guy's got the 18.
Okay, what about a 19-inch?
Everybody goes, well, that's the thing. It's like,
20-inch.
you're trying to find a sweet spot, right? It gets kind of out of control once you get to those mega things that really aren't laptops. So I don't know what the sweet spot is for a gaming laptop, but it's probably somewhere between 16 and 18.
What about 19?
Okay, well, Willie Do wants 19.
Yeah,
so
let's go for 19.
step your game up, Razer.